India has resumed flights to and from the United Kingdom amid new UK strain scare.
One thought that I would like to put in is that when the COVID original virus started,
Sound system installed here. There are multiple accessories also attached, and the trolley attached to this one is also very fancy.
है इसके अंदर भी अनेकों विशेषताएं हैं। एक तो पावरफुल ट्रैक्टर है, बड़ा ट्रैक्टर है। नीरे
Hello there.
What's up guys? Welcome to another episode. Sorry यार tie white shirt अभी नहीं है मेरे पास क्योंकि धुलने में चाहिए. I have the tie but I don't have a shirt right now with me. So bear with me. Tonight on the show we have a really special guest, Arun Singh. He started his career to become a radio jockey, but now he is reporting for the NDTV. A good, awesome conversation we had with him. I hope you like the episode. थोड़े से changes हो रहे हैं on the channel and on the episodes. I know you guys are like, भाई इतने लंबे videos कैसे and why are you doing this? Because our previous videos used to be like about 15 to 20 minutes long, and now they're 50 minutes to 49 minutes. So we're going through a bit of a transition. Alright, so and yeah, तुम लोगों को अच्छा भी तो लग रहा है ना, तो that's why I'm posting it. So I hope you like today's episode. Have fun, happy Saturday, and on with the show. By the way, stick around for the rapid fire round. इस बार होगा Bullet Train Made in India rapid fire round. See you on the other side.
Arun, welcome to the show. Welcome to Silent News. I'm actually trying to change the name of the show. It's going to be called The Silent Show, and you're there to witness something that's going to make its name in history, I hope.
No, it's a cool name though.
Right. Okay, Arun, please introduce yourself to the audience.
Arun Singh, I have been working in media from last 10 years. I started when I was very young, 18 years old. I was a radio jockey back then. And from radio to digital to print to TV, I worked in almost every medium of mass communication. And I really like creating content. And today, if you ask me what do I enjoy the most, that is digital content, whether it's news or fun content, and that is what you see on my Instagram. I also run a YouTube channel, and mostly these days, because I have a hectic job, so mostly you would see similar kind of content on my Instagram and YouTube. The channel is called The Jhumru, which had started years ago. So वो है, और that is what my introduction is.
Right. So just a bit of a background story. I saw one of your reels on Instagram. It just popped up, and I started stalking you. Okay. फिर धीरे धीरे I saw your reels, and then I got to know that you're working for NDTV as well. And उसके बाद I was like, भाई इस बंदे को मेरे को लेके आने अपने शो पे. And then we started talking about it, and congrats on your reel got shared by Diljit Dosanjh. And मैंने सुबह अपना फीड खोला, मैं यार एक सेकंड ये दिलजीत है या द झुमरू का पोस्ट है, let me check it out. That was so cool. How did you feel about it, and what was the reel about?
I do fun and news, both kind of content, और मुझे दोनों में ही मजा आता है. न्यूज मेरा काम है, फन अपने आप ही निकल के आता है, वो थोड़ा नेचुरल हो जाता है. तो इससे पहले भी जब मैं न्यूज करता था, इससे पहले मैं NDTV के लिए उनके डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म के लिए काम करता था जिसका नाम था हॉप. तो वो डिजिटल कंटेंट था, इट वाज फॉर यंगस्टर्स, सो दैट इज व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू इन NDTV, सो दे रियली लाइक्ड इट. तो जब मैं न्यूज में भी था, सो दे वुड ऑलवेज एक्सपेक्ट मी टू डू सम फन स्टफ, जो इसमें भी जब ये गाना आया. और इससे पहले बाय द वे मैं एक बार पहले जब ट्वीट्स एक्सचेंज हुए थे कंगना और दिलजीत के बीच में, तब भी मैंने ट्रांसलेट किया था, which was a huge hit on Twitter at least. So a lot of people back then also shared, and all these popular people retweeted, and it felt nice, of course, because as content creators तुम्हें थोड़ी validation मिलती है तो अच्छा लगता है. वो जरूरी नहीं है, that's not the prerequisite, but मिलती है तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. तो वो था, and वहाँ से because everybody at my office had seen that, and when that song came, Reedy, which is a Punjabi song, and of course it was a rage from the moment it released. So they wanted me to translate it, and that is what I did. And again, मैं रात को for weird reason मैं सो नहीं पा रहा था. वैसे मैं सो जाता हूँ बहुत easily. मैं सो नहीं पा रहा था, and flight mode पे डाल के मैं सोता हूँ because मेरा phone number बहुत सारे लोगों के पास है. When you go on field to report, बहुत सारे लोग आप स्टोरीज के लिए नंबर लेते हैं या फिर उनको कोई प्रॉब्लम होती है. So and sometimes they don't realize कि अच्छा 11 बज गए 12 बज गए. So they end up calling you. So that's why I just put my phone on flight mode. So I did not know कि क्या सीन है. And for a few of my friends started calling me also. And मैं किसी वजह से सो नहीं पा रहा था. I just got up and then I was like चलो flight mode off करते थोड़ा Instagram देख लेते हैं. And then there was those messages, you know, you got missed call, and then every friend of mine was like, dude, you're on Diljit's feed. He's put it on Twitter, Instagram, and everywhere. So of course it was really a good moment because I mean he's a big star. But I won't say like that's the ultimate validation.
I mean, it's just like right. Once
but I
you're
really
on,
like him as an artist. So validation coming from him was actually great. But yeah, I really enjoyed it. Thoroughly enjoyed it.
right. I mean, if something like that ever happens to me, I hope it does one day. So party तो मैं
It
सबको
will.
दूंगा ही. But yeah, again, then you have to focus on. I mean, after going through such a thing, focus on coming back to ground zero and living your life. But yeah, these are some of the perks of social media which I really love. Okay, so how did your journey in reporting start? How did you get into NDTV?
So, as I told you guys that I started being a radio jockey and I was studying journalism and mass comm while I was doing this. So, मैंने पढ़ाई भी by the way साथ में की है. So, जितने भी young लोग अभी देख रहे हैं वो ये ना सोचे कि मैंने सब छोड़ दिया था और मैं नौकरी करने चला गया. My dad was absolutely against this thought and he didn't want me to work. But because मैं रेडियो के लिए पागल था, that's how I started. And मैं पढ़ रहा था journalism and mass communication. तो मैं जलंधर में था. अभी भी फिलहाल जब मैं ये रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ मैं अपने होम टाउन जलंधर में ही हूँ. तो मैं जलंधर में था एंड जलंधर इज अ मीडिया हब. यहाँ बहुत सारे न्यूज़पेपर छपते हैं, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे ऑफिसेज हैं. व्हेन आई से मीडिया हब लाइक ओल्ड स्कूल, अब मतलब अब तो खैर डिजिटल और न्यूज़ चैनल के चक्कर में हर अलग अलग शहर में चीजें हो गई हैं, लेकिन जलंधर इज अ हब. तो यहाँ बहुत सारे न्यूज़पेपर्स के ऑफिसेज हैं और मेरे कुछ सीनियर्स फ्रीलांस कर रहे थे टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया के साथ. तो मैंने सोचा यार मैं भी करूंगा क्योंकि मैं बाहर तो जाता ही हूँ और स्टोरीज तो मुझे दिखती हैं. सो आई ऑलवेज हैड दैट नोज फॉर न्यूज. देयर इज अ टर्म दैट most of media people know, which is called nose for news. So if you have nose for news, you will see a story in everything that you see. So I think I had that, and every time I used to go to a new place, I used to see a news story, and then I started reporting for Times of India for the city edition. So from morning till afternoon, I used to be in office. From afternoon to night, I used to work in radio station. And when I used to get free at 9 or 9:30, I used to come back home and write those articles. It was a bi-weekly edition though. That is how my journalism really started, or journey in journalism started. Then I started doing digital content. I thought that this is my new calling because I've explored almost everything, and with every passing year, I've realized कि अच्छा अब ये भी कर सकते हैं, वो भी कर सकते हैं, और मुझे अच्छा लगता है मल्टीपल चीजें एक समय पर करना. तो वो मैं डिजिटल कंटेंट कर रहा था, उसी के चलते मैं एनडीटीवी में आया. एनडीटीवी में मुझे हायर किया because they were starting a new channel for youngsters, which was a mobile TV channel. It was a 24/7 live channel, but on a mobile TV for youngsters.
Okay.
That's how I started, and I was in the news department for it. तो मैं न्यूज करता था यंगस्टर्स के लिए. हम थोड़े फन तरीके से उसे प्रेजेंट करते थे. तो ये करते करते फिर एनडीटीवी मेन चैनल स्टार्टेड यूजिंग मी फॉर रिपोर्टिंग. शाहीन बाग मैं रिपोर्ट करने जाता था अपने चैनल के लिए, यानी डिजिटल चैनल के लिए. सो आई स्टार्टेड रिपोर्टिंग फॉर 24/7 एज वेल.
Okay.
सो धीरे धीरे वो ट्रांजिशन शुरू हुआ, मुझे भी अच्छा लगने लगा, तो काम भी सबको ठीक लगा होगा शायद. तो that's how I entered TV journalism. But yeah, I enjoyed digital the most, and that is what I'm back to these days for NDTV. And we, by the way, you guys must check out our platform on Snapchat as well. We're doing some great series and shows. One is Long Story Short.
Okay.
I mean, it's for youngsters, and I think a lot of young people watch you. So I go to Snapchat, search Long Story Short, and it's every day there's some explainer which I do,
All right.
and which is by NDTV on Snapchat.
Okay.
And that's Sabji wala.
That's the typical सब्जी वाले भैया, आलू ले लो.
मैंने अपनी विंडोज खोली है बेहतर लाइटिंग के लिए, बिकॉज मैं यहाँ शूट नहीं करता इस घर में, बिकॉज ये मेरा अपना मतलब जलंधर वाला घर है, so it's not very shoot friendly, but yeah, thank you, bear with me.
And now these days also these street ये जो सब्जी वाले भैया होते हैं वो लाउड स्पीकर के साथ भी घूमते हैं आजकल. Have you noticed that? They, I mean,
पता है YouTube पे ट्रैक्स बने हुए हैं सब्जी बेचने के लिए, जैसे गाना या समझ लो या कोई भी ऐसा कैंपेन. So because I noticed, because somebody was playing this, and I was like, तो कुछ गाने तो well produced लग रहा है. Then I searched on YouTube, there are tracks. प्यार बेचने के लिए अलग ट्रैक है,
Oh my God.
के लिए अलग ट्रैक. Not a song, but like an announcement kind, like a premix.
that's how technology is helping everybody these days. Right. Okay. So you've been reporting for a while now. तो जैसे कभी पिक्चरों वगैरह में दिखाते हैं या कभी ब्लूपर्स होते हैं, हैव यू बीन थ्रू एनी वियर्ड रिपोर्टिंग सिनेरियोज, जैसे कभी कोई कैमरे के पीछे आ गया?
कराची से लोग ईद मनाने, लोग अपनों में ईद मनाने के लिए आ रहे हैं. कैमरामैन कामिल के साथ चांद नवाब, भड़वा देखो, देख सामने देखो.
या कुछ मे बी नेगेटिव सिनेरियो, एनीथिंग दैट यू कैन टॉक अबाउट?
या सो सी, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे जो पुराने लोग हैं जर्नलिज्म में, वो जैसे कई चीज़ों का बड़ा ध्यान देते हैं कि जब हम कोई एंकर पीस कर रहे हैं सड़क पे खड़े होकर, तो पीछे कोई नहीं होना चाहिए. पर मैं इन चीज़ों से बिल्कुल ओके हूँ. मुझे लगता है कि दैट्स हाउ इट इज. आई मीन दैट्स वेरी नेचुरल. और वो आई थिंक अब टीवी भी थोड़ा चेंज हो गया है कि मतलब इतनी वैनिटी है, इतनी ब्यूटी है, एवरीथिंग परफेक्ट दिखे तो वो अब अच्छा नहीं लगता है. एंड प्रॉब्ली डिजिटल का उसमें बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन है. तो मुझे तो खैर बुरा नहीं लगता है जब भी कुछ ऐसा हो रहा होता है. बट हाँ, ब्लूपर्स की जहाँ तक बात है, मेरे साथ बहुत बार हुआ है. और यू सेड सीरियस वाला, तो सीरियस में तो फार्मर्स प्रोटेस्ट आपको पता ही है, पिछले काफी टाइम से चल ही रहा है. तो मैं बिल्कुल शुरुआत से, जब वो लोग पंजाब में थे तब से इसे कवर कर रहा हूँ. तो मैं सोनीपत में था, और जब वो लोगों ने शुरू किया वहां से चलना, तो सोनीपत में उन लोगों को आना था, और सोनीपत में सड़क खोद दी थी इन्होंने. और वो मैं दोपहर को रिपोर्ट कर रहा था कि इन्होंने सड़क खोद दी है, ये हो गया. एंड रात को थोड़ी हलचल ज्यादा नजर आने लगी, एंड मुझे लगा यहाँ कुछ होगा. एंड वहाँ पे टीयर गैस और वो सब का तैयारी थी, और तो लोग नहीं थे ज्यादा. बट हम जाने वाले थे वहां से. वी हैड टेकन एन अकोमोडेशन इन सोनीपत ओनली, एंड हम वहां से जाने वाले थे. इट वाज अ लॉन्ग डे. अरे चलो रुक जाते हैं थोड़ी देर. तो लेट्स जस्ट सी व्हाट्स हैपनिंग, आर पीपल कमिंग, क्योंकि जो पीछे से आ रहे हैं वो मार्च करके आएंगे. That happened, and so उन लोगों को रोकने के लिए वाटर कैनन जो है उन्होंने चलाया.
Okay.
अब पहली बार जब चलाया, और तब अब तो खैर उसके बाद बहुत बार कॉमन हो गया. अगले दिन तो फिर बहुत कुछ हुआ था. बट ये मैं बात कर रहा हूँ 26 नवंबर की, 26-27 नवंबर, वो जो इन दोनों दिनों की बात. तो उस दिन तो एक जब पहले बिल्कुल चलाया, तो मैं बिल्कुल मेटल का एक बैरिकेड था उसके पीछे आ गया. ठीक है, बच गया. एंड देन फिर उसके बाद थोड़ी देर बाद जब लोग ज्यादा बढ़ने लगे, देन दे सेड कि एक बार और करने लगे हैं वो. तो आई टोल्ड माय कैमरा पर्सन, दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव टू शूट, लेट्स शो इट. And then he's like, or usually like police tells you, or not police, but like their people or someone who knows कि ऐसा होने वाला है, they kind of signal that there's a journalist there or whatever. But they signaled, and I thought मैं तो इसके पीछे आ जाऊंगा. ये मैं पिछली बार भी तो इसके पीछे बच ही गया था. और हमारे ऊपर वाटर कैनन का पूरा शॉट आया, बिकॉज वो स्विम कर रहे थे और हम पूरे भीग गए. और आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग दिस, एंड आई एम टेलिंग ऐसे बिल्कुल कॉन्फिडेंटली खड़े होकर, एंड देन देयर इज पूरा पानी, एंड ओके कैमरा गया, कैमरा के माइक के ऊपर सब पे पानी आ गया. दैट वाज अ ब्लूपर, बड़ा सैड ब्लूपर. एंड दैट इज व्हेन यू रियलाइज कि, एंड हम जब वापस आए अपने अकोमोडेशन में, देन आई एंड माय कैमरा पर्सन वर टॉकिंग टू, हम वापस आ गए, हम अपने कपड़े चेंज कर रहे हैं, एवरीथिंग इज फाइन. लुक एट दोस पीपल आउट देयर. सर्दी में रात को जिनके ऊपर वाटर canon पढ़ा है, so it's a sad blooper, but yeah, it made me realize a lot.
That must be a hell of an experience. Even you were reporting the whole thing. I was checking out your Instagram, and I was trying to put myself in your shoes and what you may be experiencing over there. क्योंकि यहाँ पे तो टीवी पे सब लोग देख लेते हैं कि the reporters are reporting whatever is happening, but once you're there, चाहे कोई भी protest हो रही हो, सबका सिनारियो अलग है, and what they're witnessing is totally different. So do you get anxious while reporting things that are of high concern to the general public? How do you get into the zone?
See, बहुत लोगों ने पूछा है मुझसे, but I think when you're there, you just forget everything. It just becomes your job. You forget the anxiety because your job is to report. I remember जब मैं हाथरस वाला केस रिपोर्ट कर रहा था, तो ours was the first channel जो हाथरस पहुंच गया था when that girl's body was being taken to हाथरस. तब तक हालांकि जब हम वहां पहुंच रहे थे तब तक क्लैरिटी भी नहीं थी कि क्या बॉडी को हाथरस ले जाया जाएगा नहीं. I hope you're aware of the case. I'm talking about the हाथरस rape case. So we were there and पूरी रिपोर्टिंग I'll come to what I experienced. But ये मुझे 3-4 दिन बाद realize हुआ. So what was the experience? कि वहाँ the body was brought and then there was this entire debate happening between the family and police कि body घर में जाएगी, and they wanted to अंतिम संस्कार रात को ही body का कर देना चाहते थे, funeral रात को कर देना चाहते थे police, जो हुआ भी eventually. But in all that 4-5 घंटे का discussion, body को कभी इधर ले जा रहे हैं, कभी उधर ले जा रहे हैं, and we were also shooting everything, reporting, recording. Then eventually when they burned the body, when they did the funeral, the body, the fire is burning behind me and I'm just doing my piece to camera. And वो सब भी हुआ, and in all of this I didn't realize. And मुझे जब मैं वापस आ गया, जब थोड़ा सा वो zone से निकला, मुझे realize हुआ, and I was telling my camera person, we didn't realize कि रात को open में हम एक dead body के आसपास घूम रहे हैं. The scenario is so sad, but the story is so important, and it's so important for you to report.
तो पहले जैसा आप कह रहे थे कि कोई बात नहीं, वहाँ चले जाता है, फिर शायद कुछ रिश्तेदारों ने आपको कहा कि नहीं घर पहले लेकर आए.
हाँ, पहले हम हिंदू रीति रिवाज में तो पहले घर आते हैं, उसके बाद
तो ये भी विरोध था कि रात को नहीं ले जाना,
लगाते नहीं.
Sure, media is not allowed to go beyond a certain point, and there police has done the last rites of the girl. For now, we can't see any family members of the girl. We also saw some cops talking to the father of the girl, convincing him to let the last rites happen in the middle of the night.
That you forget, or maybe you don't really tap that. I mean, something happens to you. Maybe I think it's just a job, the kind of job. Because अगर तुम उस तब में पड़ जाओगे उस वक्त, तो शायद तुम नहीं कर पाओगे. और of course it's an emotional story. It was an absolutely human story and a story of a human rights violation, where family को ना body को देखने दिया गया, ना उन्हें final rights करने का मौका मिला. But I think in all that human angle and all that human story also, you just have to be a little away from the emotional, because that is when you execute your job. But you realize it much later, and then I was like, okay, what was really happening there?
Right.
And we didn't realize.
Because at the end of the day, it comes about to, I mean, it's your job to give the message to the public, right? And if you don't do it, so there is no point of,
Yeah, more than the message, I think it's about reporting what is happening.
Yeah.
So, no matter tear gas हो रहा है, funeral हो रहा है, but if it matters to human rights, to humans, to public in general, you just go beyond all the possibilities, and you're like, okay, I have to deliver it. So I think the job is such, because you asked, and I get this asked a lot, that how do you, and a lot of my friends who are not in media especially ask me that how did you keep calm, or how did you manage? I was like, no, I don't know. Something happens, you just forget. These things these things don't even come to your mind when you're there.
Right. I mean, just like if a doctor is doing a surgery, वो ये थोड़ा ना सोच रहा होगा कि घर पे खाने क्या बनने वाला है उसका.
True.
Right.
True,
So
true, true.
totally relate with that. So again, so like first you set yourself out to be an RJ, right? And then reporting. How did you transition yourself? क्योंकि RJ, according to my understanding, it's a bit of a people's job, right? Once you enter into a news industry, thoda sa you have to have proper knowledge about each and everything, and then again you're reporting. So how did you change yourself that way, or was it not a big deal for you?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है ये सारे मीडियम्स एक जैसे ही हैं.
Okay.
एंड इन सब में कुछ ना कुछ कॉमन है, कुछ ना कुछ का सब मीडियम्स एक ही तरह से काम करते हैं. सब मीडियम्स का एक ही उद्देश्य है कि लोगों तक पहुंचना. बेसिकली इसे हम मास मीडिया कहते हैं. तो वो जो चीज है, if you like that, then I think you can conquer any medium. And transition की जहाँ तक बात है, तो I think मुझ में हर मीडियम के लिए जो चीजें चाहिए,
वो दिखता है. वो दिखता भी है.
Like I'm a little fun. I also want to know about things. I also want to give information, but I also want to give it in a fun way because I'm like that. I can't consume वैसा वाला content which is all serious and which is all. But I also want to have knowledge or information. So how do you do that? You bridge the gap, and especially when you're delivering to millennials or youngsters, you do it in their way, and which is my way, and which is like delivering information in fun way. And sometimes, even if you're not someone who wants to get the information or news, probably you'll watch it for fun, and then you will be informed about something. So isn't that great? Right. So I didn't really have to work to make that transition. I am like that, and I also, as I said, I really want to do multiple things. So one thing I was clear about while I was in 9th or 10th standard, I want to be a radio jockey. Once I became that, I realized, okay, now I have to do something else. Because वो ये जब चीज हाथ लग जाती है, then you're like, okay. Not that, I mean, you can look at it negatively also, dude, like you pursued it and you left it. But I mean, that's how it is. You graduate from one medium to another, or you experiment with things, and I never tried to do anything else. Things just came my way, and I kept on doing it. So, and I still do a digital TV. If you want me to write, I will write, and I can do all of these together as well, or whatever. So I think it's not really a transition for me. That's who I am, and I think also all of these mediums require some basic skills which are common, whether it's about talking to people, finding that story, making that connect. So whether you're on radio, TV, print, digital, ये सब same है. लोगों से बात करना, उनको क्या जानना है, वो अगर तुम्हें पता है, किस तरह से जानना है, वो तुम्हें पता है, और connect.
Right.
तो ये सब में common है, और एक ही जैसा. Like I don't see it as different platforms. I just see it's media.
Okay. So what's your future goal? What do you want to? Is there something you want to achieve, or a platform where you want to reach? What have you thought about?
See, learning
And
from my past,
it doesn't have to be like what's your 5-year plan or something. But something.
Yeah. I had those plans as well, but I'm telling you from my past experience, plans don't work. Especially long-term plans don't work at all. Or maybe it works for someone,
For some
but
people.
It doesn't.
Yeah.
But doesn't for me. Or I think now, अगर मैं अपनी current mental space की बात करूँ, तो I want to take life as it comes. But talking about future, I think not future, but presently I see like digital medium and news in digital medium as my present, or let's say immediate future. So that is what I see, and that is what I really want to work in. This is a space I feel most comfortable in. News is something that I enjoy. Yeah, so digital news is what really excites me, and as I said, like delivering content in a way which is fun, munchable, consumable, and informative. And it's a very tedious process. It doesn't come very easily, and I don't think I've achieved it fully. I mean, creating a content which is A-class in quality, has information, is funny, and is consumable, is short, crisp, and has a reach and gets engagement. That is a deadly combination, and you do it only when you achieve it only when you do it frequently, and that is what I want to achieve. So I think there's a long way, but that is what I see myself working in, and I really enjoy.
So we all know that you're on social media. How did your social media game start, and how has it helped you along the way?
Social media, I've always been on social media. I think most of us who are born in this age, social media comes naturally to you. It doesn't come as a exercise or as a prerequisite. मुझे करना ही करना है. I think it comes very naturally to most of us, and that is how I also joined. And I never thought I'll amplify it. YouTube, of course, I wanted to really work upon. But I think because I was always in a job and I would always be touchwood, but YouTube I think requires a full-time attention. So that was the only platform where I just thought that okay, I will work hard upon. But otherwise it happened very organically. I just post content. And these days, again, as I said, I'm not very futuristic these days. But otherwise, for now, for today, these explainers really work for me. I mean, I really enjoy making it, and I think it gives you an information and it gives you knowledge. Not maybe the best, but at least something about this thing. So I started this explainer series on Instagram where I explain whatever is happening around you. It can be around anything. It can be budget. It can be WhatsApp. It can be vaccine. So I really like making those short videos, and that is what my social media strategy, so to say, is.
Right, because even I feel that your content is really relatable. For example, if I don't know the meaning of a few things or what's happening in the news, and then I see one of your posts on IGTV explaining about this and that. So your comic timing, including you trying to convey your message, whatever the news is, it's highly relatable and it's working for you. It's working for you. All right.
Thanks.
Okay. So one last question. Please give some motivation or tips for a person who is wanting to get into the industry, or things that this person should prep for.
Okay. 2 words. Do it. Just do it, because हम बहुत चीज़ें सोचते हैं, मैं सेटअप बनाऊंगा, मैं ये खरीदूंगा, नहीं मैं अपनी पहले ये इम्प्रूव करूंगा. वो होगा और वो करना भी चाहिए. इट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग. मतलब अपने आप को एनालाइज करना, अपनी कमजोरियां जानना इज द बेस्ट थिंग टू हैव, इज अ ब्लेसिंग टू हैव. बट जस्ट डू इट. क्या करोगे? बुरा कर लोगे, बहुत ही गंदा होगा, 4 गंदे कमेंट आ जाएंगे. इट इज ओके. व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू डू इट, डू. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यू वांट टू एंटर टीवी, you today might not have a job, but we are blessed with social media platforms. Start doing something. If you want to do comedy, start doing it. If you don't want to go to an open mic immediately, start making videos, then go to open mics. Maybe you will fail, but do it. Go prepared. ऐसा नहीं कि मतलब do it का मतलब ये नहीं कि मतलब यूं ही चले जाओ. अपना बेस्ट दो. I know तुम्हें लग रहा होगा कि मैं अभी सही नहीं हूँ या मैं 100% नहीं दे रहा, और वो शायद सच भी होगा. But that's okay. Just do it. So that's what I've learned from my journey. That it's very important to go out there and do stuff. Only then you realize क्या work करता है, क्या नहीं करता. Only then you contact people. Only then people see you. Only then you get connected to people who can actually help you raise the bar or improve your talent. And it's just like it works like stairs for you. So you at least एक पहला स्टेप रखते हो तो दूसरे पे पहुंच जाओगे, और उसके बाद लीव्स तुम्हें मिलते जाएंगे, और वो लीव्स तुम्हारी मेहनत के हिसाब से मिलेंगे. अगर तुमने फिर उसके बाद बहुत मेहनत कर ली तो सीधा 8 स्टेप पे भी पहुंच सकते हो, और तुम सीधा 12 स्टेप पे भी पहुंच सकते हो. बट इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू, if you want to enter media, I think pursue it. Whichever medium it is. If you want to do radio, do something related to it. Go for an internship. If you want to write, start freelancing, but start doing. It's very important. So I think do it is what my mantra, or let's say 2 words, motivation.
Nice. I really like conducting these shows because this is always like my final question for anybody who has come onto the show as a guest. कि how can you motivate the other person, but उससे सब मेरे को मोटिवेशन मिलती रहती है and going through everybody's experiences and listening to them. So हाँ, thank you bro, I'll do it. Right.
You are doing it, and you're doing a great job.
Yeah, man. But again, even as creators, and even I think it may happen with you as well. Everybody has their highs and lows, and I also need like consistent motivation sometimes. एक भी छोटी सी चीज ऐसे हो जाती है ना, it becomes very tough to ignore that, and you just keep it to the side and keep on doing whatever you're doing.
True.
So, right. All right. So this was a segment where the public, my audience, your audience got to know a little bit more about you. And we are moving on to the best part of the show. आजकल इसकी डिमांड बहुत है, मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स कह रहे हैं कि भैया ये करो. तो आई हैव नॉट कॉपी दिस फ्रॉम करण जौहर, जो कॉफी विद करण पे वो करते हैं, बट I may have not, and I gave it my own name. So this round is called Bullet Train Made in India Rapid Fire Round. I know that name is very
Wow,
long.
so original.
So original. अभी तक जितने भी रैपिड फायर राउंड गए हैं वो 15-15 मिनट के गए हैं, पता नहीं क्यों, बट we'll try to make this as quick as possible. I really wish
Because
that
it's a made in India bullet train, is it?
हाँ. You get the reference. Right.
Got it.
I wish you were here with me on the show, when I would have given you a proper hamper. The last time.
Yeah, so if you give me an option कि मैं मार्स जाऊंगा या नोएडा से द्वारका, I think I'll choose Mars.
Mars. Okay, guys, मेरा एड्रेस लीक हो चुका है ऑलमोस्ट.
द्वारका बहुत बड़ा है.
बहुत बड़ा है, ढूंढते रह जाओगे. नहीं मैं एक्चुअली बताऊं, मेरे सुबह दिमाग में यही चीज आई थी यार, बंदा नोएडा रहता है, तो दिस इज अ इंटरनल दिल्ली थिंग दैट वी लिव ऑन एक्सट्रीम्स ऑफ द एनसीआर.
True. True.
All right, so we're going to start off with the round. Try to answer these questions as fast as possible. थोड़ा Bollywood related type होगा, cheesy stuff, the way the people like it, you know. So okay, so these first set of questions are: name these Hindi songs that have been translated in English.
Okay.
All right, so first one: how should I tell you what my heart thinks? You'll definitely think that I am crazy. How should I tell you what my heart thinks? You'll definitely think I am crazy.
कैसे बताऊं तुझको? Is it that?
No,
No, that's not crazy. Wait.
I'll continue. Maybe you'll get it. My heart feels like climbing atop the TV tower, and then shout and tell everyone. अगर मैंने everyone के बाद बता दिया तो
टीवी टावर पे चढ़ जाऊं. No. I don't know. Wait. टीवी पे दिमाग में आ रहा, टीवी टावर पे मैं चढ़ जाऊं. No. Sorry.
No, I want you to answer this. Let's start with the first line. How should I tell you what my heart thinks? अगर आपने इसी को हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट कर लिया ना,
मैं कैसे बताऊं दिल तुझे क्यों चाहे?
kind of.
कैसे बताऊं दिल
It's
तुझे चाहे?
this
TV
music
tower पे
is
मैं
very
चढ़ जाऊं.
this music is very, इसमें बहुत सारे beats है, metal है, guitar है. People use this sign.
I'm really bad. I think I'm gonna suck at this game. No, I surrender. Sorry. What is it?
नहीं, it's Rock On from the Rock On movie title track. दिल क्या कहता है मैं क्या बताऊं, तुम ये समझोगे
टावर पे
शायद.
मैं चढ़ जाऊं. Oh man.
Right.
Okay. Never mind.
Good.
Next.
All right. This is one of my favorites. I did it with my previous guest as well. Okay. बहुत ध्यान से सुनना ये. All right. All the people in the world held their breaths once again. Okay. I've come back again, bringing with me so much uproar. Look who's back. Look who has conquered over the world once again. On whom are all the gaze fixed? For who are all the arms are spread? Who is this? Who is that benevolent being who has come? Recognize me, everyone. I am Dawn.
मैं हूँ Dawn.
Right, you got it right. You got it right. I mean, I really wanted to go through the whole English translation because last में ये I am Dawn, so you know. But funny, I mean, if you read this sentence, who is that benevolent being who has come? मैंने आज तक कभी सोचा भी नहीं होगा कि मतलब English translation में इसका ये मतलब होगा. But right. All right. Yeah, this was the translate in Hindi English round. Now let's come on to the rapid fire questions. Okay, if you had to take a person on a date out of Jacqueline Fernandez, Katrina Kaif, and Alia Bhatt, who would it be?
Alia Bhatt for sure, because I love her acting, and when she was launched in Student of the Year, I just loved how she looked, and then Highway was a surprise. So I really like talented, hardworking people.
All
She's, I think, talented and I mean a great actress. So yeah, Alia Bhatt any day.
All right. Okay. Your favorite male actor?
Ranveer Singh.
Ranveer Singh. Any movie which कि हाँ भाई अब तो fan हो गया?
I think Bajirao Mastani was great. He was in a zone. I know log bolte hain Padmavat was his best, but I think that kind of acting is still, I mean, we've seen a lot of people do, but गुस्सा एक्सप्रेस करने से ज्यादा ठहराव एक्सप्रेस करना बहुत ज्यादा मुश्किल होता है, I think, but that is what. And in Bajirao there were so many. He was a warrior, he was a lover.
True.
He's a person who's just surrendered. So many shades. I really liked it.
All right. Your favorite singer? हिंदी बोलूं या क्या बोलूं? Hindi and Punjabi. Favorite singer?
Favorite singer?
Yeah. Or artist?
Jubin Nautiyal is really nice.
All right. Do you have a favorite band? Or are you not
Favorite
into
band?
bands?
No.
You're not into
No.
bands? Okay.
I mean, if there's some good music playing, why not? But otherwise, वैसे तो ये favorite music, favorite actor, favorite ये भी नहीं है मेरा कोई. Just that you're asking. Yes, I just like whatever comes my way.
Okay. So are you into? What's your favorite like genre of music?
Not sad, but rest everything works.
Rest everything works. All right. Who out of these are your favorite talk show hosts? Kapil Sharma, Karan Johar, or Silent Stuff?
Silent stuff, yeah. Come
अरे
on.
यार, thanks यार.
Any day.
यार, एक बंदा आया था, उसने बोला था कपिल शर्मा, उसके बाद में उससे बात नहीं करी. If I had the chance to travel the world with one news anchor, who would it be with?
With one news anchor, if I had to travel a world. No, yaar, why would I travel with a news anchor? I think I
I don't
just
know.
want to be off work on a world tour, not with a news person.
All right, that's being very honest. Please tell the audience your favorite kind of junk foods or cheat day food.
Desi, anything desi, which is any chaat item, which is I mean, I don't consider South Indian food junk food. I mean, that is junk for North Indians because that is what we eat when we go out. But otherwise, I think chaat items I really love, like something with dahi. So
All right,
that's it.
okay.
Yeah.
Who would you rather pick a fight with? Vicky Kaushal or Varun Dhawan?
Vicky Kaushal, थोड़ा काफी पंजाबी vibe है उनकी, so I think
अच्छा.
he'll be okay with me. Yeah. He won't go very tough.
Okay. What would be the name of your own news channel?
Well, news channel, wow, I never thought. But something which is Hindi English, like something English, like I don't know. Maybe the font will have Hindi English, but it will be. I don't know. I've never thought of this, but I think I should go with the Jhumru because that is what my YouTube channel and my Instagram handle is.
Yeah, I think it'll work somehow. If it's working on social
Not sure
media.
for a news channel, but why not?
Yeah, why not? Or maybe a show of its own. Right.
True.
Okay. 3 words that describe your personality.
Highly optimistic, very energetic, and hardworking.
All right. One final message for people with dreams.
Please keep dreaming. It's very important to dream. That is when you achieve those dreams. So please keep dreaming.
All right. That was the rapid fire Bullet Train Made in India rapid fire round. And I think we have a winner. And
Yeah.
I wish he was here. Otherwise, he would have gotten दूबर के इंडिया गेट चावल जो आज गिफ्ट हैम्पर पे था क्योंकि पिछले वाला बंदा भी जीत के गया था. उसके पहले मैंने कोनिटोस चिप्स दिए थे. But please give me your Paytm. I'll give you 80 rupees cash prize.
Yay! Sure. No, next time we meet, you treat me. That's.
हाँ, we should definitely meet up.
बड़ा closing, मतलब opening में भी सब्जी वाले भैया आए और अभी.
हाँ. I think he's the next guest on the show.
ठीक है, मैं बात करता हूँ.
All right, thank you so much for coming on to the show. I hope that the audience was able to learn a few things, a few messages, and right, our aim is that we motivate the younger generation. इतने में बुड्ढे नहीं हो गए, but I always feel कि जो थोड़े बहुत people who are looking for motivation, they get motivated, and it was very lovely to have you on the show. And for the audience watching, his YouTube channel link, his Instagram link will all be provided in the description box below. And any last message for the audience?
That's all. And I think it was a great interview. He covered almost everything. But if you are left with any question that you want to me to answer, then just reach out to him or me, and then we can take it forward.
Right.
And yeah, keep working hard and achieve your dreams.
Right. Again, guys, go on Instagram and search The Jhumru and check out Silent Stuff for more amazing content and new guests on the show. And again, virtual fist bump. Right. Okay. See you later, buddy. Thank you for coming. All right.
Thank you.